Well, you'd be shocked to find this is northern England, because it's not actually raining, which it has been doing for 4 months. So anyway, we're on the way up onto top of I think it's Great Scale Fell, anyway, the one east of Dufton Pike and south of Great Dun Fell. And we've come up here from Dufton. Right. We're continuing on up the mine track. Look at that U-shaped valley there, glacial that, and these fantastic rock formations. It's like the lost world. Wow. And I assume the kilns are for melting the lead out of the ore, out of the country rock, but I don't know. Look at this fantastic rock strata. I'm not sure if this is the windsill bit. I think it might be the limestone layer, this. Anyway, we're heading off up that hairpin, and I'll catch you in a bit. Right, so just down a nice spring. I'm nearly at the top of this mine track, and then we'll go up onto whatever it is, Great Scale Fell. So I just topped up with my B3, and I'll drink what's in there, and I've had another good drink as well out my bottle. So we've come up the track from Dufton up to the town and the shooting box. There's a cairn here. I actually think if you're going to Great Dun Fell, you'd be better turning off a couple hundred yards before the town up to this cairn. But I can see just a faint path here, and you can see the Lake District. Absolutely sublime. Stick over there, Glencaster I can see easily, and Skiddaw behind it. So heading off. Right, so at the summit of Knock Old Man, we've got Wildbow Fell, Howgills, the Lake District over here, and this is the top of Knock Old Man, and that's our target, either for today or tomorrow. I'll get a bit further on because I got 3 hours before dark. But that's the radar installation on top of Great Dun Fell, and beyond that Crossfell. Marvellous, but that's hard going. That was really hard. The last 2 miles of that is bog and heavy tussock. Not too boggy, but very heavy going. So yeah, look at this. And it hasn't been raining, although it's had a couple of snow showers. It is forecast for a little bit of snow tonight. I've come off Knock Old Man down to the Great Dun Fell paved road. There's a nice bit of paved path from Knock Old Man down to here. Now I've hid my rucksack, and I'm gonna go walk up to the top now. There's the golf ball. Wow, so this is the hush on Great Dun. They used to use it for mine works and used to flood water down it. I'll put something on the captions, but it's to do with the mining. And it's very windy. Nearly at the top. So there we are, top of Great Dun Fell. Never been up in my life, but I'm here now. Look at that. There you go. Radar air traffic control installation on Great Dun Fell. Right, there's I think it's Cow Green Reservoir, and this is the road that goes down, and I've hidden my rucksack down there somewhere. Right, I'm going to get down and get pitched up before it gets too dark. There's the Lake District over there. Head down now, don't forget your sticks. These are the poles to show you how deep the snow is, and believe it or not, some guy's been down here on a scooter, and I don't talk about a motorized scooter that you just freewheel down on. Have a look on YouTube, absolutely crazy. Imagine taking these corners at speed on that thing. Jeez. Right, I'll catch you up in a bit. Hello? Hello? Oh, hello! Hello! Hello, people! Hello, doggies! Oh, a puppy! Oh, a human puppy! How you doing? Good dogs. Good dogs. Yeah. Good doggies. Hello. That's good. Morning all. It's about 5:30 in the morning. A little bit of frost last night. First night out in the Elk Kit Elan bivy. Hook bivy. Right. It was alright. I'm a cold sleeper anyway. Down booties, down pants, down jacket, and I still use my hand warmers. But I had a good night. It was a high wind from about midnight until, I don't know, at least an hour afterwards. Really high winds battering the shelter, but you really did have the feeling this thing ain't going anywhere. And there's the towards Great Dun Fell up there from whence I came, and that's Crossfell over there, and the Tees Head where the source of the river Tees. Full moon over there. The alcohol stove going. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Bit of frost on the shelter. Well, that's the tarp. No frost on the bivy. A little bit on the bottom corner there. I had to put a rock under there to even it up because it wasn't quite even on that corner level. Nice curlew in the distance. You can see Blencathra over there and Eastern Lakes. Right, get a brew. Look at the Lake District. Not a cloud. Well, there's a cloud on Blencathra and Skidder. And there's a gypsum works at Kirby Thorpe. The front coming in over the top of Great Dun and Crossfelt. Right, I'll finish packing up. Alright, so I've left no trace of my bivy site. Look at the beautiful Eden Valley. Can you believe it? It's fantastic. Clear all the way to the Lake District. I don't know where my glasses are, which is par for the course. But I've had a good check of the pitch, and they're not there because it's got a red lanyard on it. So I'll have shoved it in my bivy bag or something. These are ankle breaker stuff, this. I've no idea what time it is. Probably about 6 o'clock. Up towards Crossfelt, up towards Great Dun. Well, so the Elan bivy, first time out in it. It's alright. I didn't find it claustrophobic because I'm not claustrophobic, but I dare say some people would. There's room to turn over. There's pockets in the head for like your glasses, your phone, etc. It's about 3 pockets which are useful. But I've got to have a different system for bivvying because you can't be looking around your bivvy for stuff. I'm a cold sleeper. And I used a couple of hand warmers. I was perfectly comfortable. First couple of hours it hammered the rain, not the rain, the wind. And let's have a look. But of course it's low profile, so it's not going to blow over, is it? But I put a tarp over the top. Look at these walls. Right, I'll put you away till I get a bit further down. Get quarry at Knock Pike. Some really interesting strata. It's made out of volcanic tuff, that. And I think brownberries as well. But Dufton Pike is sedimentary. Look at the boulders there. Man, imagine if that's in Spate. It looks like boulder clay, that, from the glaciers to me. It's dropped by the glaciers when they melted. Yeah. I think this is, well, this is the intersection with the Pennine Way here. So I'm just going to check the map. Wow, these uphills are killing me, because I did 10 miles yesterday on a winter pack, and then I pitched up about 1,000 feet, I should imagine, and then coming up here, this is uphill, and there's another bit that's uphill, but I'm only 2 kilometres from Dufton now. But I am cream crackered, that's a fact. I've had a good 2 days and a good night. Right, so I parked the car at Dufton and then went up this mine track behind the back of Dufton Pike, then up into the deep mine valley there and on up, got some water here, and then up nearly to the tarn and the shooting box, and then on up around the back of High Scald Fell, on up to Knock Old Man. This was hard going along here, very tussocky and peat bogs and stuff, not too boggy but hard going. On up to Knock Old Man and the high point there at 794 metres, then up to the Great Dunfell Road, up the path up to the top of Great Dunfell, the radar installation, down the paved road, back to the point where I'd hid my rucksack to save me dragging that weight up the hill, then on down the paved road and attempted to find this path. I'm not sure if I did. Pitched about here, about 500 metres, then down, continued down, joined up with the Pennine Way, and right down back into Dufton.